Hello students, today we are going to learn geometry. Let's see the differences between these two groups. Group A has few pictures and Group B has few figures. What are the differences between these two figures? If you can see in Group A and Group B, both are closed figure. What do you mean by closed figure? Where figure is where the starting and end point is same. For example, if I start from here, I went there, then I have crossed over here. By crossing like this, I came back to this point. That means I have started with one starting point and I have ended on that particular point only. So this is a closed figure. If I don't end up on the starting point, then it will be called as open figure. So all of the figures over here are closed figure. But what are the differences between them? If you can see over here, in group A, all are made up of straight segments. So here, this first picture has this segment, then this segment, then this, and this. Same with all. It's starting from here, one segment, two segment, three segment, and four segment. Whereas in group B, we have segments and few curved lines, few irregular lines, or few semicircular or other shapes. So group A is only having line segments and group B is not having only line segments. So the figure, the closed figure which is made up of line segments are known as polygon. So all the figures in group A are polygon, whereas group B is not a polygon. Now, what figure which you can see in these pictures? What is the shape of this picture, or what are the shapes which includes this pyramid? So you can see that the pyramid and the chips is made up of this basic figure which has three sides. These three sides which are closed is the simplest made polygon which is called as triangle. Now let's learn about parts of triangle. So we have seen that when two sides are meeting at a point, they are meeting at a point is called as vertex. So here side BA and side AC is meeting at a point A. Side AC and side CB is meeting at a point C, and CB and BA is meeting at a point B. So point A, point C and point B are vertices. Vertex is singular and vertices are plural. So three vertices are present in a triangle. So the vertices of this triangle is point A, point B and point C. Now using these vertices we can name the triangle. So the name of the triangle I can tell it as triangle ABC. You can name it in any direction. For example, you can tell it as angle CBA or angle CAB or angle BAC. So using these 3 points you can name your triangle. Now coming to the sides. How many sides it has? It has 3 sides. What are the sides made up of? They are made up of line segment. So by writing the name, I'll have to specify that it is line segment AB, segment BC and segment CA. So these 3 sides are the name. Segment AB, segment BC and segment CA. You can name it as segment AC, segment CB and segment BA as well. So how many sides do we have in a triangle? 3 sides. Now how many angles do we have? 3 angles. When does an angle form? When two rays are meeting or when two segments are meeting at a point. So here segment BA and segment AC is meeting at a point A. So on this vertex an angle is formed over here. So what is the angle name? Angle BAC. Or on this particular vertex AB and BC is making an angle over here. So what is the name of this angle? Angle ABC. Coming to this, on this vertex, that is point C, BC and CA is making an angle over here. So the angle name is angle BCA. So we can name it as angle ABC is my first angle. Angle BCA is my second angle and angle CAB is my third angle. So there are always three angles inside the triangle. Now depending upon the sizes of the sides, there are three types of triangle. Now this is one triangle where one line is here, two line is on the other side and the three line is on the other side. That means this and this and this, these all three are of different sizes. Now coming to this one, all the three sides are having only one line which tells all the three sides are of same size. Now here the third figure says that these two sides are of equal length, whereas this third side differs from these two. So that means in the first figure, all the three sides are different. In the second figure, all the three sides are of same size. And on the third figure, two sides are equal, whereas one side is not equal to them. So depending upon them, those who has no equal sides are called as scalene triangle. Those who have all the sides equal are called equilateral triangle. And those who have only two sides, any two sides equal, they are called as isosceles triangle. So these are three types of triangles based on the size of the sides. Thank you, students.